I just saw this video on Facebook of this boy fighting Nama Bangladesh. Ashu, he's 25 years old and he's South African. Reaching out to Ramaphosa, saying, but Nama Bangladesh, they are coming from wherever they are coming from. Bangapagli country by Sebenza. The boy is depressed and the video touched me. It made me realize that the government that is supposed to be our government of foreign, prioritize our foreign over us. The boy is 25 years old. I've been searching for him, but I told her that someone from Bangladesh is being prioritized and we are sebenza. The boy even said, "Ufuna le video yakhe trend or Ramaphosa abone." And it made me realize that Sisekakeni is a youth yaseMzansi. The government was paid with ANC, who's supposed to be our government, looking out for us, catering for us and putting us first as prioritized, is not doing what they're supposed to be doing. The youth ayisebenzi ihlele ekhaya and bayazama abasakhethi imisebenzi. I've seen people abanama qualifications abasebenza egarage. I've seen people abanama qualifications bangama security. Kunzima rough, but the government doesn't care. I saw ukuthi ngeODTT labantu laba baspende imali recklessly elingana ne-32 billion or 38 billion. Ama reckless spending. Then it made me realize that South Africa is money. South Africa is money. It's just that we trusted Satan, igebengu, amaqili, fools, frauds, ama-criminals ngalowo mali leyo. If like sikwazi ukuspenda 32 billion recklessly, 32 billion engaziwa ukuthi yiphi nje, then I realized ukuthi sakhethe government was supposed to empower us. Samkhetha lo government, samtrusta ngemali zethu. Mahola 30,000 tax yakho iyafika la kubo 16,000. Lo tax leyo instead of empower thina njengama citizens wale country ayikwenzi lokho. Sathemba government obhedayo sathana onganandaba nathi. Ngaleyo mali leyo 38 billion or 32 billion recklessly spent nje kungazi ukuthi ephi ngapha youth ayisebenzi. Last year mangikhumula kahle istats sabuthisha abanganama post abangasebenzi bebala ku 26,000 something. I've seen no doctor mina abamatsha bahamba bayohlala ngaphandle ku Department of Health, bahlale ngaphandle balale khona bafuna imisebenzi, yet there are doctors coming from all over the world bayasebenza labaqashiwe. You are telling me ukuthi goma universities thina njengama South Africans as qualified to be ama tutors and ama lecturers? You are telling me ukuthi go SABC thina njengama South Africans as qualified ukuba ama CFO? The South African like Human Rights Commission, are you telling me ukuthi lama positions that were filled by someone from Malawi or Congo where they don't even have a Human Rights Commission? Thina we can't fill those positions. ANC emotional lelizwe leli, we had a very beautiful country, but see youth is depressed asebenzi kunzima. Ngapha impilo iyacela iyalibhanisa kuyimalini sekuyi 16 rand sekuyi 18 rand. Imagine ke like mongasebenzi ukuthi uzoyithola kublento leyo. Into ebuhlungu nje ukuthi lama kule country le abantu labethu angeke basayithola the South Africa that thina esiyitholile ngeke basayithola. Siyakhohliswa nje kuthiwa funda, go to school, go to universities, obtain a qualification, uyithole bese mawuyithola uhlale nayo. 38 billion spent reckless nje kanjalo, yet youth ayisebenza. But ke nathi shema asiko serious ngoba izinto that we care about abo Big Brother Mzansi lapho kushema singagcwala istrati singalala ebusuku siculela iBig Brother Mzansi, but ukuthi asisebenze silambile, si depressed. That boy is depressed and the video hurt me so much because insane ndaba nathi shema. Angazi ukuthi ngenzeni noma ngithini kini ngicela kanjani ukuthi bafowethu Ukukipha i-ANC in power is the first change that we need. Ngiyazizwa ezamabhoda, yabona like ezamabhoda comes after ANC, but we need that president ozoba very strict and xenophobic. Ngamani kuthiwa xenophobic ngoba indaba yamabhoda kumele iqine, but the first step is to take the ANC out of power, and then sizokhona ukuthi siqale sithi no, lamasimba we-constitution fusek, amasimba we-constitution le fusek, ama-borders mawaqine, wonke umuntu wangaphandle makabuyele kubo, sizilungise thina qala sibone ukuthi thina sinjani. Nizobona i-country izoba right ngoba umuntu nomuntu makahamba ye kubo, then sizobona after ukuthi thina siyenzani. Ama-border aqine, umuntu ongapha uzoba ngapha for a reason. Can't tell me ukuthi there are people abala just to sell abotamate balokhu bahamba ngama-trolley la basibangela umsindo pop usuke from wherever usuke khona uzosidayisela utamate lo. Who said thina we can't do that? Who said thina we can't do that? Usukele uzosidayisela amahotwana namathumbu la. Who said thina we can't do that? Ngathandaza nje ukuthi i-youth yaseMzansi because yibona abazoletha i-change, bahlakaniphe bavuke. Vuka Mzansi, liyahamba izwe. Vuka Mzansi, i-youth nje yaseMzansi ngathandaza ukuthi ivuke and start fighting for a future yethu, not yet kuphela but ne-future yabantwana bethu, because the government that we entrusted with yonke into is failing us and has been failing us for years now. Bona bale phezulu bahamba ngeimoto, ama-convoy, abantwana babo bafunda kuma-private institutions, abanye abantwana babo bahlala phesheya. Kumnandi nje, kumnandi kudliwa imali. But thina silapha phansi, bona bale phezulu, and they are deciding for us. Lapho thina la phansi siyabanga, sibanga nama-foreigner, sibanga nama-foreigner imisebenzi, sibanga nama-foreigner abafazi, sibanga nama-foreigner ama-clinic like influx yakhona agcwele, kuhlezi kugcwele. Sibanga nama-foreigner, sithuka ama-foreigner like the way they are so entitled, bayasithuka bayasidelela ezweni lethu. Ngakho ngithi mina ngizolishiya leli golini ngihambe ngekhaya. KZN izolunga ingakho nje la bakwazi nokuthi bazobeka ama-king waseNigeria. Masimba mani lawo. Lapho sithulile siyi-country, sithulile. Mina ngizoliphatha lelizwe leyo ngwani ya nina nto ngithule ni ababhayizela. Ngizoliphatha lelizwe.
Attack man. Asebenzi thina ngenxa yabo. Asebenzi thina ngenxa yabo. This guy come from India, he's 18 years old. Mina ngina 25 years, I'm a South African citizen. This one is 16 years old. I'm a South African citizen. What about me? Hey man, I'm very curious. I want to see Ramaphosa sing this. Yeah. I'm a South African citizen. I'm 25 years old. I don't work. I stay here in South Africa. I'm a South African citizen. This one is a Bangladesh. Fuck man. Fuck. I'm taking this keys. Hit me. Hit me.
Give the key.
Uncle, I'm getting down. Uncle, I'm getting down. Uncle, I'm getting down. Sugala. Fuck. Fuck.
Give the key. Hello. Give the key.
Arfai. Manyana, but hit me now.
Give my key.
Hey. Sugala, wait. We are put on. Sugala. Hey. Let us see you. Shot.
Give me the key.
Yeah, man. Asebenzi ngayo. Don't tell him more.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Unemployment it's a big issue in South Africa, but no one seems to care. Our government officials or rather our governments doesn't seem to kick isana because batithulele njena ayikho imisebenzi abantu bayetikoleni bafunze misebenzi but ayikho bagraduate abantwana bahlala emakhaya kunindeki lutho umuntu ahlale for years emakhaya angasebenzi mase ufike ku-35 bathi chu somdzala bafuna ama ungaphansi kwa-35 but ngalesikhathi ungaphansi kwa-35 bowubuka umsebenzi ungawutholi uthi ubuye esikolweni bathi chu usifuna lune-experience uyithathe phi i-experience usafresh from varsity icakhayize eSouth Africa tiyabuya shem so lokho buyakhulumela mayelana nale video lesikuletha kwalapha enkundleni yokuxhumana emfana lolwa nebhodi waseBangladesh athi asisebenzi thini nini nesithathela misebenzi. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.